Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with a TK25 smartwatch, and this time we are going to try and have a demo on one of its main features, that is the Bluetooth call and the push notifications. So this wearable has a feature for Bluetooth call, and you can also receive smart notifications. As you can see here, we do have the message and we have the dial. We already set it up with its support app, the XO Fit application. We have here our Android smartphone. We are already connected with the support app. So this is the XO Fit app. As you can see here, we are connected. And later on we are going to double check the push notifications and the Bluetooth call if there are some settings. Okay, so if you are interested to see the Bluetooth call demo and the push notifications, the smart notifications, watch this video, and again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin and explore the push notifications and the Bluetooth call. So we have here our Android smartphone. When we install the app, we already set the notifications here, if I remember it correctly. We also set some of the permissions. So let's check it again. Let's see. So we already set some of the apps here. Okay. And the permission is also activated. So we have the message reminder. I think you don't have to set the Bluetooth call. It's automatically activated when you set the permissions. For the contacts, if I remember it correctly, we already added some of the contacts here, as you can see. Okay, so I guess we are ready. It's time to check and have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call, as well as the push notifications. Let's go first with the smart notifications. So we have here the Instagram, Messenger, and Viber. Let's check this one. So let's try to send a message. As you can see here, we already activated our smart island here. We can check it later on here on the smart island. So let's say hello to TK25. So this is our first time to check this. Let's send a message. So message sent. And as you can see here, we can receive the notifications. We have here the logo and the message view. And you have an option to delete it. Okay, so far it works. Let's see if there's a support for smiley or what you call the emoji. Message sent. And we have it here. And as you can see, there's no support for emoji. Okay, only blank images here or symbol. Okay, how about the call? Can we receive a call notifications? Yes, we can have it here. Okay, so we have here a call notification from Instagram. Okay, so far it works with the Instagram application. Well, let's go with the Messenger. Let's open the Messenger app. Dismiss. Okay, so let's send a message to Sam. Let's say hello. Message sent. So let's remove this first. Is there support for Messenger? And we have it here. Just see the little delayed. Okay, so we have here Cindy, Sam, hello. We have the time, the date, and the logo. Dismiss, delete. Let's see if there's a support for emoji. If not, I think it's also the same with other applications. Okay, so there's no support for emoji. Let's check if there are some options for the message notifications. Display and brightness, 30 seconds, screen lock, dynamic island, pinch to answer. We'll activate this. Hand light, big screen. Okay. Then let's have a call here. Calling on Messenger. Let's see. And let's end. And we have it here. A call notification. Okay. You miss a call from Cindy Sam. Okay, so it works with Messenger and Instagram. Let's have this one. So we have here Sam. Let's send a message. We'll not test out the emoji anymore. I think it will not work with this app also. Hello, TK25. Is there a support for emoji or for Viber? We did not receive any apps or any messages. Okay, we do have here. Again, it's a bit delayed. Hello again. Okay, so it works. How about the call here? It's ringing. Yes, we do have it here. Okay, so it works with our Viber application also. You can also receive call notifications or missed call notifications. Next, let's try the SMS. Let's send a message to Sam. Hello. Message sent. Can we receive an SMS message? Yes, you can receive an SMS message. So it has its own logo also. So the generic logo for SMS. Again, hi. So the light screen did not work when you receive a notification. Okay, I don't know if there are some options here. Again, it works with SMS. It works also with, okay, hide notification light. Okay. It also works with the popular applications such as Viber, Messenger, and Instagram. Hello. Again, let's turn off the screen here. So let's wait. Oh, remember we set it to 30 seconds. Wait. Okay, the screen is already off. Let's see if it's going to work. We already set it on the settings. Hello. Okay, so it works. There's a vibration, and as you can see, the screen activated when you receive messages. Okay, so it works with SMS. Again, it works with Instagram, Messenger, Viber, and Messages or SMS. We don't have the WhatsApp here, but I think it also works with WhatsApp application. Based on our experience, it usually works with WhatsApp. Okay. So next, let's have the Bluetooth phone call or Bluetooth call for the TK25 smartwatch. Okay, so let's start. Let's check out the dial here. We do have the call logs, so not yet. There's no record for yet. We have the contacts. We already sync it on the support app, but we don't have it here. Phone. Again, let's check our smartwatch here or smartphone. Let's check the support app. Sync. It's now synchronizing. Let's check it again. Last time I think I already synchronized it. maybe it was erased when I disconnected. Dial contacts. So we have it here. Okay. As you can see here, we already synchronized the number and we have it here. We also have the contacts. So let's try to call the number first. Let's see if we can receive a number or a call on our smartwatch. Dialing. Okay, so we didn't receive any calls here, I think. Although someone is calling us, as you can see. Okay, and so let's troubleshoot. Okay, let's check. So let's check our Bluetooth connectivity here. We have the connections. Bluetooth TK25. Okay, so let's activate the calls, audio input. Okay, so let's check. Let's have another try. Okay, dialing. And it's not working here, I think. Seems like we are not receiving any Bluetooth call. Although we already set it here. Again, let's check. It's allowed here. Notifications allow. Let's see. Contacts, call logs. It's already activated here. Seems like our Bluetooth call is not working. How about here? Let's see. Let's call Cindy. Phone, not. Okay. It's not working. Again, let's see if we do have some settings here. Okay, let's activate this one. Okay, do we need to activate that? Let's see again. Dialing. Okay, so that's it. So you still have to activate it on the support app, as you can see. Okay, so aside from activating it on the settings or on the app as well as the Bluetooth settings, so we have here our settings for the Bluetooth. As you can see here, we already activated this one. Don't forget to activate also this one. You also need to activate it here on the support app, as you can see here, or on the smartwatch. Okay, so there are things that you have to activate first to be able to make the Bluetooth phone call works. Okay, so I guess it works. Next, let's go to our smartwatch. Go to the dial. As you can see, we do have some troubleshooting with the smartwatch. Okay, there's some smartwatches that you don't have to activate the Bluetooth settings here on the smartwatch. It is automatically activated. In our TK25, you still have to activate it. Let's use this one, or let's call Cindy. Okay, it's calling. Let's see if we can receive calls. Again. Okay, so it works, as you can see here. So someone's calling. And call. Okay. How about the dial pad? Dial. Call logs. We have it here. Phone. Let's see. Recent contacts. We have Cindy here. 0919809204. Let's call. Okay, and let's see. Yes, it's working, as you can see here. Okay, and call. Okay, the last one. Let's answer it here on our smartwatch. Okay, let's call the number and we will answer the call. Okay. Okay, someone's calling. Let's answer it. How to answer? Hello? The Bluetooth phone call works. Okay, so there's some feedback because our phone, the other phone, is very close to our smartwatch. But so far, as you can see, it works. We have the call logs here. So different symbol or different color for the answered call, for the missed call. We also have here the contacts, and we also have here the dial pad. Okay, so everything works here for our TK25 as long as you set the proper options for the Bluetooth call. Everything works for the TK25 with the XO Fit applications. That's it. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.